So I'm trying to find the PCV valve on this RAV4 2010. This is the one that this lid right here just pops off. You see it hooks up in here, here, and these are the grommets where it goes in. I've seen a lot of videos where it shows PCV valve being on this side, which as you can see is not. I've seen some videos where it shows that it's on this side, somewhere over here. It's not. I originally thought it was that part right there, but it's not. And then I've seen some videos where it shows it being under here, but I believe that's a 1.8 liter engine. This is a 2.5, I believe, and it's a 2AR FE engine. So I believe it's a 2.5. Anyways, I saw another video online. This Asian guy said it was somewhere under here. You know, you get to it easier. Remove these two. There's another one down here. As you can see from here, it goes in here like that. This is just pop it out, take it out. Make sure you use that tool right there. So as you pop them off, you take these off from here, pop them off here, and then pop these off and ship them off. Anyways, try not to break those. They're about $1 each. So you come in here, have to remove this, get out of the way, and then there's a bracket that sits. You can look at this hole right here, 10mm bolt. Take it off. As you go in, you see this hose right here. That's where the PCV valve is at, and it has like a small some kind of small like butterfly. Gotta get a ratchet in there. So let's see what that is going to consist of. Get you a better look from the top. You can see the hose. This is the hose. Follow it and it goes in. Well, can't follow. It's a kind of weird angle from up here, but I'm gonna try to get it from the top. So come back. So I was able to get the hose out. Okay, so I push these back. This hose came from up at the top. I kind of used the tool with my hands through here, pinched it with one finger, and then pinched it with the other one because my finger from my right hand can reach. Use that as a deal. Pinch this out, I just forced it out. So now you should be able to see it. Still to the passenger side. So now it's a 19mm. Let's try and stick it in there, and I'll be back. Get a better view. Okay. And there it is. Son of a gun. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the PCV valve. Seems to be working still. The reason I'm replacing this, when I bought this to do the tune-up, I thought it was going to be a simple task, which was going to be on top of the engine, which most of them are. It's about the replacement. Put some thread lock on there. So it seems to get stuck a little bit, not too much. I think a good cleanup with some brake cleaner. I'll clean it pretty good, you'll be set to go. But I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it since I got the other one here. So replacement just in reverse mode. I wouldn't suggest doing this if you don't know how. I don't know how, but I just couldn't. The challenge was just too much. Now, so let's do this. Okay, back in here. The hole is back there. You can touch it. So just don't drop this, because that would suck. Holy cow, got it in. Oh yeah. All right, so now it's in. Time to lock it down. Feel it. There it goes. There it goes. So that's pretty snug. Alright, now this goes in reverse, goes in here, find the hose, it's in. I seen this guy on YouTube, Fix It Angel. I don't know how that guy does that for a living. This is so frustrating. God dang. I'm only doing this in my car. Look at that. I by no means am any mechanic. I'm just a pole guy. Can't pay anybody to do it. Okay. Come on. Should be good enough. That goes there. I think I broke this one over here earlier. Alright, this goes back on there. Not the time to put the cover back on, but I'm going to turn it on before I put the cover on, just to make sure everything is working correctly. So, I'm going to put you guys right here for a minute. On the car. Hey, I'm not a YouTube expert, okay? So, bear with me. Alright. Here we go. Moment of truth. So this is a 2010 RAV4, 4-cylinder, 2.5. You can see it's a 2AR FE engine.